How to activate HANDELSBANKEN debit card. To activate your HANDELSBANKEN debit card, you typically have a few options available. Access your HANDELSBANKEN online banking account using your username and password. Look for a section related to card management or card services. Within the card management section, you should find an option to activate your new debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include entering your card details or providing any security information. After completing the activation process, you should receive confirmation that your card is now active and ready to use. Always keep your PIN secure and never share it with anyone. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, contact the customer service for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.